Hi, I'm Chris, and this is Wellness Wednesday, and I'm excited to talk to you about the Fountain of Youth, which is two essential oils that come from flowers. So I want to introduce you to Yarrow Palm, and it comes in a box like this, and I'm going to be showing you how I use it 2 times a day. And then there is also the Helichrysum Touch and the essential oil, and we'll be talking about both of those. But first of all, I want to just tell you how I simply use this. It's a 30 ml bottle, and I just take a dropper of this and do a couple drops on my tongue, right here on my face, a little bit right down here, and the top of my hands. And whichever one is dripping is the one I do first. But on my face, I love to put it just under my eyes and then just rub it all over my face. And this under my neck, always go up, make sure it's all there. And then I just take this and rub it on the other part of the top of my hand, rub that in. Anyway, I like to keep my hands nice, but I feel like this really does the job not only with my hands, but my face and here and internally also. So that's number one. And then the Helichrysum, I love the touch. It's combined with the carrier oil, and I like to use it on scars and on places that if the skin's really tender or red, I use it there. If I'm out in the yard and I get a cut or scrape, or just to use someplace that's sensitive. So it's great not only for adults, but for kids, because it's such a kind oil. And I just take the roller and go like that. And, put it wherever I need it. I even like to use it here for emotions. And this is the 10 ml bottle and the 5 ml bottle that has about 80 drops in it. But I love this delivery. So I'm going to talk more about that. I love to share about how these things come about, where they come from, how they're processed. All of that really interests me, and of all the different uses that I might be using it for one thing, but it also benefits me in other areas. So that's why I call them the Fountain of Youth. So if you want to unlock ageless vitality and discover the power of these two oils, listen in, because we're going to cover all these areas. I want to move along here. I love this view of this beautiful field of yarrow, and it's harvested in Bulgaria, where doTERRA has their own Esoterra distillery so that they can process it right there, and it also supports the community and the farmers there that they work very closely with. So, you can look into this plant and how amazing it is. It's a perennial herb that is capped with these small white flowers that are clustered up top. And this yarrow essential oil is a one-of-a-kind, expertly crafted proprietary blend, and it's cold pressed with pomegranate seed oil, and it offers very powerful benefits. So let's look into this. The pomegranate comes from Turkey and Kenya, and Turkey's one of the largest suppliers of it, and it's sourced from these seeds. But the part of this that I thought was so interesting is that the oil content is only 7% by weight. And so this means that more than 14 kilograms or 30 pounds of seeds are needed to be pressed to produce 2 pounds of the oil. So I thought that was pretty interesting. But what is so amazing is this Healing Hand story that tells how these projects, the Healing Hand projects from Bulgaria, help to support Kenya. And they, in this construction, there have been over 85,000 people that have been impacted by these social impact projects. And this is one of the things that doTERRA wants to be known for, is for their humanitarian, through providing us these essential oils, how they help all these different countries and help to provide in this project classroom, restroom, school library, water storage, staff room, restrooms, teacher living quarters, student veranda, also scholarship support, the construction of a bridge, kindergarten, school, community center, and cultural and health trainings for 2,000 school children, and also education and reforestation of the indigenous trees. So they want to make sure that this is going to be able to continue. They have a water point, a community borehole and water tower. And there's also a trust fund, which this foundation puts it into the hands of the cooperatives themselves to help finance land and development projects at their discretion. So this is an ongoing thing that we'll hear about again at our convention in September. So I wanted to just put this side by side because the Fountain of Youth of Yarrow is so, so important, because it actually supports all these different areas: the immune, hormone, digestive, aging skin, and the nervous system and metabolism. So this proprietary blend is pretty amazing, and I highly recommend it. As I said, I use it twice a day. So I mean, we've kind of talked about these. Mostly I've shown you. It helps you to have healthier skin, anti-inflammatory for joint and muscle, reduces stress, and it helps to combat oxidative stress, and also immune health. So it's called the oil of energetic safety, and feeling protected and safe and strong, clear boundaries and clear identity. And then also it's available in a capsule that also has zinc and vitamin C in it, but you can take it as a capsule. If you don't choose to put it on your tongue, you can use the other oil on your skin, but if you desire to take it internally, this is a great way, and it's called the oil of self-respect and self-acceptance. But it's really amazing to enhance feminine energy, and is just one that I must have and can't live without. So I just wanted to share that part of it with you. Here's more about how it's used, just for overall wellness and as a blood tonic and purifier. And, you know, you can use it in your skincare routine. Helps to rejuvenate the skin and assist with healthy metabolic, cellular, immune, and nervous system when it's taken internally. So the letters here on the right show topical, internal, and neat. So that means neat is where you don't have to dilute it. It has a pomegranate base, which helps it to be absorbed and give you the full delivery of the benefits for it. Then the other I talk to you about is Helichrysum, and it comes from Albania and Corsica and France, and it's a perennial herb. The Greek words mean sun and gold, so it refers to the flower's gold color. And the benefits here is to, again, rejuvenate skin, give relief to joint and muscles, help you to have emotional balance and manage stress, and regenerate those skin tissues and tissue repair, and also to improve circulation and overall vitality. So both of them work really, really well together. And let's see, this can be used aromatically, topically, internally, and neat. So it just helps with that glowing, youthful complexion. It's great for rejuvenating the skin and offering restorative properties. And it's actually called the Swiss Army oil because it's very supportive to bumps and bruises and also bleeding. So that's what I wanted to share with you about that. You can also apply it with sandalwood and lemon, and it's great over the abdomen for occasional indigestion. And it's a great hydrating, it says it right there, with Yarrow Palm. So you can also apply it to your abdomen during a menstrual cycle and to your temples for soothing sensation, the back of your neck. You can massage your ears with it to reduce inflammation. You can use it with cypress, which helps for blood flow on your veins. So that would be another way. It's called the oil of transcending pain. So it helps to transcend whole, healed, courageous, hopeful, victor, transforming, renewed, relief, committed, and determined. So this is also the little 5 ml bottle, and you can combine it with your hydrating cream and use it with clary sage and lavender. So those are just a few ways to use this. And so this, I called it my must-have duo kit. So this is with the Yarrow Palm, the 30 ml bottle, and with the Helichrysum Touch, which is $167. And they, just to remind you, for healthier joints, tissue repair, circulation, hormone, immune, stress, and skin. So I have a special offer for you that is discounted if you reach out to me and message me or email me at oils.edu@gmail, and I can help you determine which type of the product that would work best for you. So there are 2 free ebooks I have for you. Toxic Load, What Are You Putting on Your Skin? And also 5 stress hacks to help you calm your mind, soothe your stress, and support your mental health. So that is what I wanted to share with you today. And I hope that I'll be hearing from you because I want you to experience the fountain of youth like I have. And I just love it. Have a great week. We'll see you next Wednesday.